Today I closed on the perfect lot for my first home build that's eventually going to be my first rental. Just 2 weeks ago I put in an offer and today it's mine. Welcome to my new lot.
2 weeks ago, I talked to my realtor, who is also my wife, and I told her to find me a buildable lot in this neighborhood. Within a couple days, she found me the perfect lot, so we put an offer in. The sellers accepted the offer within a couple hours, and now today we walked into the title office and signed the documents to make it official. I could not have found a more perfect lot for my build, so let me explain why. Most lots in this neighborhood are currently selling for about $70,000, and I got my lot at $54,000. What makes this even better is this piece of land comes with not only one, but comes with two buildable lots. So if you do the math, I got my lots for $27,000 each, and everyone else is paying an average of $70,000. So this neighborhood has about 120 homes that consist of some nice older homes and some nice brand new construction homes that have all been built within the past year or so. The single most important aspect of a real estate investment is the location, and the location of this neighborhood cannot be beat for several reasons. For one, it's a quiet and safe neighborhood with a very low crime rate. Secondly, we are just 5 minutes away from I 45, which is the main interstate going through the middle of Houston, Texas. And we're only 7 minutes away from the Woodlands area that has several great restaurants, a lot of fun things to do, and has a great job opportunity market. This area is rapidly developing, which will cause a higher appreciation rate on our home, which is exactly what I was looking for.
Okay, so as you can see, the lots are already cleared, and that's going to save anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 on the build, as well as the lots in an established neighborhood, so the utilities are all readily available and both easy and affordable to connect to whenever we have to do that. And these are all things that are either going to lower the cost to build or increase the cost to rent, and that's exactly what I was looking for in the lot. So the only bad thing about the purchase of this lot is it's located in the 100-year floodplain, and the county is going to require me to build the finished floor of the house 1 foot above the base flood elevation. So this is going to increase the cost to build slightly because I'm going to have to bring in 3 to 4 feet of dirt for the pad to get that done. So now that I've purchased my lot, I can now work on designing the plans for my build. And once I get my plans finished, I'll then get them engineered, and I'll take them to the county to apply for my building permit. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next.